being 16? What's it like being 16? Here at Teen Trends, we're trying to find out what it's like to be 16 all over the world. Here we're talking to Aliyah, a girl from Astana. When does school start and finish?
I go to school very early, at 7:45 in the morning, and eat breakfast there. My parents drive me there before they go to work. School finishes at 4 p.m., but afterwards I go for additional computer and English lessons. Right now, I'm studying English because I have an English test tomorrow.
Do you get homework?
Yes, I do. After I finish my after-school classes, I have a short break. Then I do my homework. I usually stop around 9 o'clock in the evening.
Do you get any pocket money?
Every day my parents give me 700 tenge, £1.80, to buy a small snack after school. However, if I want to buy something special like a book or a CD, I have to ask them for extra money.
What do you do in your leisure time?
I love playing volleyball with my friends, but my favorite sport is ice hockey. It's a really popular sport here in Kazakhstan. I play ice hockey every Saturday with the local girls' team. When I want to relax, I listen to music. My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Where do you live?
I live in Astana in a 3-bedroom flat with my parents, my sister, my grandmother, and our cat. Like most flats in Astana, our flat is very modern.
Do you have to do chores in the house?
I have to help my mother clean the house, and when I don't have homework, I do the laundry. I also cook dinner a few days a week when my parents are working late.
What do you like, hate about being 16?
I've got a nice family and a lot of good friends. The only problem is that I have so much schoolwork to do at the moment.
What do you worry about?
I worry about getting good grades in my exams and getting into a good university.